Hey y'all, your girl Shay is back and we are riding in Raleigh today. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's ride. So like I said, yes, we are rolling through Raleigh. We as in me and my husband, we both ride. He got a road glide and I got the street glide, as y'all know. But we ended up taking the back roads all the way through to Raleigh because there was traffic real bad on the highway and we just wanted to avoid that. But here we are, just enjoying the weather. So y'all already know I'm not a big fan of the back roads, and here's why. So I want y'all pay close attention to this white truck right here. I don't know, maybe I'm tripping, but it looked like he merged into my lane and it spooked me, y'all. I don't know. Y'all gotta tell me if I'm tripping or not. Alright y'all, so we're here, we're pulling up to the party. You know, I'm backing up doing my thing and then boom, your girl got stuck. Y'all see that groove down there? That front wheel got stuck right there. I was like, oh my gosh, looked at my husband and he came and saved the day, y'all. He came and saved the day. He's sick of me, y'all. But yeah, we're here. Alright, we out here. There's a lot of bikes at this event. We are out here at NuVo Lounge in Raleigh. The event is called Slide Thru Sundays. So I guess every first Sunday they're gonna have an event out here and it's crowded. There's 4 different clubs hosting it. So yeah, we about to go ahead and take a look, get something to eat. So if y'all haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel for more content. So let's get it.
Yo, it's Harley. Raleigh MC. I ride 2002 Regal I Wear.
So one thing about Raleigh's bike set, they don't need a venue. All they need is a parking lot and they will have the whole party outside, y'all. So here's a look inside and everybody's just in line getting something to drink. Nobody's in there dancing. I'm telling you, the party is outside when it comes to Raleigh. So here is K9 and K9 2 pulling up to the venue. Ooh, that rhymed. So we was about to be on our way until they decided to race. I'm telling you, Raleigh Set party outside and they have to race every single time. Until next time, you guys, Shay on Twos is out. Let's ride.